I'm bird watching, and I haven't seen anything yet.
All these nature tips. Do a ritual dance. 2. Camouflage. Adjust your binoculars, like this.
Oh, I can see much better now. Lovely.
Know your surroundings. What is this, Callum?
Mud.
Well done. What is the green stuff over there?
Poison ivy?
No, that is grass, Callum.
Oh. I'm hungry. I think it's time for my cookies. Cookies!
Callum, I forgot to mention the 5th tip. Make sure what you're watching isn't dangerous.
Oh, you kind of told me.
Could have helped you, Callum, but now I'm going to run.